Ready for a quick laugh? Today's video's packed with jokes that hit you right in the funny bone.
A husband and wife are celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. The husband asks his wife,
Honey, what would you like for our anniversary? Something special, anything at all.
The wife thinks for a moment and says,
I'd like something that goes from 0 to 100 in about 3 seconds.
The husband smiles and says,
I've got just the thing.
On the morning of their anniversary, the wife wakes up to find a small package on the kitchen table. Excited, she unwraps it to find a bathroom scale.
Enjoyed the video? Let me know your favorite joke in the comments below. If it made you smile, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more laughs, and share with your friends so they can join in on the fun too.